DNA of everyone, not only as the CEO of Deutsche Messe, is really the trade show business. So I hope that many of you stayed there in Hanover, and we would like to invite you with this event here today in September to EMO. My name is Jochen Köckler. I'm now since 11 years member of the board of Deutsche Messe, 6 years chairman of the management board, and the 13 years before I was customer of Deutsche Messe and organized their year by year big agricultural shows in November on this fantastic fairground. Indeed, the last 3 years for us as exhibition organizers were very specific. You know, during Corona, during the pandemic time, we are not allowed to run trade shows. That was really a challenge, being there without any visitors, without allowed to do that what we love to do. And now since May last year, we started again, and we are now in the situation that we are really not only optimistic, it's really now able to plan the period till September to EMO in a way that we are not disrupted by any pandemic aspects. And that is so important for a show like EMO, because it's a #1 trade show for the metalworking industry, and like many trade shows we organize on our fairground, like the Hannover Messe, you know, like the Ligna, the IAA transportation, so we are specialized on this kinds of trade shows. One is every time the same in a trade show. If you ask a visitor after visiting a trade show, what is really important for you? It's for every trade show the same answer. Why is someone looking on trade shows? Not only to doing good business, he's looking for an innovation. Every visitor who is visiting your booth would like to see something new that makes him at home, and that doesn't matter if he is a visitor from Bengaluru, from India, from America, from Europe, Hanover, whatever. He would like to be more competitive with a new investment at home than before. That is something that is the core of that what we are doing. And nevertheless, we as trade show organizers are facing mega trends and real strong challenges at this moment. And digitalization for me is not a challenge, it's more a solution. But we see in our daily business, everyone is here with a smartphone to organizing his daily business. But that is more and more the technology in